Hey guys, my name is Diane Hammonds. I'm going to be doing my specialized field placement at a nonprofit agency. They specialize in outpatient therapy for all ages, children, adults, older adults. Sorry, I'm just looking at the questions to answer here. My hopes for field experience. In this semester, I'm hoping to be able to challenge myself to put things in place to avoid burnout and compassion fatigue, because I really struggled with that at many different placements in undergrad and then in my years in the field after undergrad. And I really want to challenge myself to start working differently and thinking differently about my work so that I can preserve my resources like compassion and patience and things like that, because I really do love the field. And so I want to see if I can, everything that I'm learning about how to protect myself and care for myself, I really want to see if I can put that in place this year in this setting to see if I can make it. I also hope to be able, I want to know what it's like to do therapy with clients one-on-one. I love doing that type of work, but I'm usually always in like a case management role where my focus is something other than the client's feelings, thoughts, and perceived experiences. I'm always like supposed to be doing other things for them, which I do, but I'm excited to be able to focus in on them and their inner experience. And so that's also how I expect this will be different from my generalist experience. In generalist experience, I'm usually focused on accomplishing tasks for the client, like locating resources, giving those resources, completing applications, meeting deadlines for applications so that clients can maintain benefits, taking clients to appointments. And not that there can't be a therapeutic relationship while you're doing those things, but it's not the focus. It sort of just accompanies everything else and makes everything else easier. But now the relationship will be a bigger focus, and I won't really be doing problem solving for people anymore. I'll just be holding space for people, listening to people, and then employing interventions. But I think the biggest difference is I won't be doing for the client. I'll be partnering with them and then listening to them. So, and that'll be a pleasant change, I think. So I'm excited to see what this semester will bring, and I'm grateful to be on this journey with you guys.